Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you a simple way to improve your English in only 10 minutes a day. Yes, just 10 minutes. It sounds too easy, right? And that's the first surprise because most people think learning English must be long, boring, and difficult. But here's the strange part. Your brain learns faster with small, short moments, not long, heavy study time. And if you stay with me until the end, you will see the exact method that makes people improve in 1 week. Even beginners, even shy learners, even busy people. So let's start right now and make your English journey simple and powerful. Chapter 1: Why 10 minutes is enough. Many learners believe they need hours of study to speak better English, but this is not true. Your brain is like a small door. It does not open with force. It opens with gentle, daily touches. And that is the secret of the 10-minute rule. It feels light. It feels easy. It feels possible. And because it feels easy, your brain does not fight it. This is why short practice works better than long practice. But here's the surprising thing. Small steps create big results when repeated every day. You may ask, can 10 minutes really change my English? And I want to tell you, yes, it can, but only if you use the 10 minutes the right way. And this brings us to something most learners never notice. Your brain learns language through listening first, speaking second, reading third, and writing last. Many people do this the opposite way. They start with writing and reading. They ignore listening, and they wonder why speaking feels so hard. Let me give you a small example. Think of a baby. A baby listens for 1 whole year before speaking one single word. 1 year. And what happens after that? The baby suddenly speaks more and more. Why? Because listening is the engine of language learning. And this is why your 10 minutes must focus on sound, not on grammar rules. But here's the part that surprises most people. You do not need to understand every word. Understanding comes later. The first step is training your ears and your mouth to move together. And this leads us to the method that makes 10 minutes powerful. This method changed my own learning journey. And when you hear it, it might change yours too. Because the secret is not the time. The secret is what you do in those 10 minutes. Chapter 2: The Secret Method. Shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen to English and you repeat it at the same time. Not later. Not after thinking. Right away. It feels strange at first. It feels like your mouth is chasing the voice you hear. But here's the interesting part. This chasing is what trains your brain to speak faster. Let me tell you something most learners never realize. Speaking English is not about knowing words. It is about moving your mouth in a new rhythm. English uses different muscles, different sounds, different speed. When you shadow, your brain does not have time to overthink. It must follow the sound. And because it must follow, it becomes faster every day. But the first day might feel funny. You may feel shy. You may think you sound wrong. And that is okay. Everyone feels this. Even advanced learners. Even native speakers when they learn other languages. But here is the magic. Your brain loves patterns. It loves repetition. So when you shadow for 10 minutes, your brain starts copying the tone, the rhythm, and the music of English. You may not notice the change on day 1, but on day 3, something happens. You suddenly say a word smoothly. You suddenly repeat a phrase without stopping. You suddenly feel less scared. And by day 7, something even more surprising happens. You start speaking English without preparing first. Most people who fail at speaking never use shadowing. They only read, or they only watch, or they only write, but they never speak with the sound, and that is why they stay stuck. Now you know the method, but the next question is important. What should you shadow, and how do you pick the right 10-minute practice? Let's answer that. Chapter 3: Choose the right 10-minute practice. Shadowing works only if the content is good for your level. So, here is the first rule. Do not choose something too hard. If the speaker talks too fast and you understand nothing, you will quit. And do not choose something too easy. You will get bored. You want something in the middle, something you understand maybe 50% of. Not perfect, not confusing, just right. You can shadow short videos, simple stories, slow dialogues, or beginner podcast clips. You can even shadow your favorite movie scenes if they are simple enough. The key is this: you must enjoy the content. When you enjoy it, your brain learns faster. When you force it, your brain closes. But here's something most learners never think about. Your content does not need to be educational. It just needs to be clear. A cooking video, a travel vlog, a short scene, anything with simple English works. Let me show you a simple 10-minute plan. First 2 minutes, listen only, no speaking, just feel the sound. Next 6 minutes, shadow the speaker, try your best to match the voice. Last 2 minutes, shadow again, but slower. This builds control. And the interesting thing is this: you will feel progress in the first session, maybe small progress, but it will be there. And that feeling becomes your motivation. That feeling is the secret to daily habits. But choosing content is only step one. Now you must learn how to shadow correctly. Chapter 4: How to Shadow Like a Pro. Let's keep this simple. Step 1: do not try to sound perfect. You will not sound perfect on day 1, and that is normal. The goal is not perfection, the goal is movement. Step 2: do not pause the video. Let it play. Shadow the flow. Mistakes do not matter. What matters is rhythm. Here's something almost no one tells you. Shadowing is not about words. It is about timing. Your voice must connect with the speaker's voice. You must jump into the sound. Even if you miss some words, even if you say the wrong thing, your brain will fix these mistakes by itself. But your mind might say, this feels too fast. And that is the moment most learners quit. But don't quit. Because here is the strange part: your brain learns speed faster than accuracy. Once you can match the speed, accuracy starts improving automatically. Imagine this: you are not repeating English, you are catching English. You are trying to hold the sound in the air. You are trying to ride it like a wave. This feeling is the key. When you get confused, just breathe and keep going. Do not stop. Stopping breaks the rhythm. Shadowing is like dancing. You must follow the music, not the steps. Now, here is a pro tip. After shadowing, shadow again, but slower. This helps your tongue and lips remember the movement. And when you do this every day, something strange happens. Chapter 5: What happens? After 7 days, after 7 days of shadowing, you may notice something new. You may start speaking English without preparing before. Your sentences come out quicker. Your tongue feels lighter. You feel less scared. You feel more natural. And sometimes you use words you did not study. This is the brain's magic. It starts unlocking patterns you didn't even know you learned. Most learners quit before day 7, and that is why they never reach this moment. But you will. And when you do, you will feel something powerful: confidence. Something inside you says, I can do this. And that feeling makes the next 7 days easier, faster, more fun. You may notice that you understand videos more. You catch phrases more easily. You speak in your mind in English without effort. But to keep this progress, you must do one more simple thing. Chapter 6: Keep your progress growing. To grow your English, you need a simple weekly plan. Not a long plan, not a heavy plan. just one that keeps you moving. Choose 3 short videos for the week. Shadow each video for 2 days. On the 7th day, review them all. Rotate your videos, keep them fresh, keep them fun. You can use movies, vlogs, stories, speeches, anything with clear English. Set a tiny goal. Something like, I will shadow for 10 minutes today. I will repeat one scene today. I will speak without fear today. Tiny goals build big habits. And the best part is this, you are much closer than you think. If you follow this method, your English will improve every week. Your confidence will grow. Your voice will grow. And your dream of speaking smooth, natural English will no longer feel far away. It will feel possible. It will feel real. And it will start with just 10 minutes a day. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe, give it a like, and comment your English goal for this week. I read every comment, and I want to help you on your English journey. See you in the next video.